So as you enter into this room. This is the living room, drawing room, whatever you can call it. It's a very big space. It comes with a closet as well. Usually in most of the basements or apartments you will find these hanging closets where you can hang, where the guests can hang their outer jackets, their shoes. You can keep your winter shoes, whatever, the outer shoes, outer jackets, whatever you need. So this is the most important part of my house. Okay. So I'll just show you around. I mean, it's a very big kitchen. Usually the basements, they usually don't come with this big kitchen. Yes. So this is the thing which I liked immediately when we came to view this basement. This comes with a fridge. All basements, apartments, they usually come with a fridge, oven, microwave, and if you're lucky enough, the landlords will even give you a dishwasher. So this is and then I'll show you the second most important, or rather first this is the master bedroom. We just put a bed and a box spring, that's it, because it's very initial and we just time to furnish it according to our own needs and according to our budget. So in my next video I'm going to show you how we furnish it and in what budgets. So we are paying approximately, we are paying 1,500 for the basic rent, and the utilities are extra. We are paying for 30% of the utilities of whatever are going to whatever we consume. It's being shared with the landlord.